Hi you all, welcome back to Shell's Kitchen. Of course, I'm back at y'all with another great video. Today we will be making fish and chips, fried catfish and french fries. So let's get to it. Quick, fast, simple, easy recipes. Okay you all, let's go over what you would need in order to make your fish and chips. Alright, so right here y'all just picked up some Louisiana fish fry. You can use one or the other. You don't have to use both, but I'm going to use half of both. I'm going to mix them together y'all. Then, of course, you just need some seasoning to lightly season your fish. Got some onion powder, my Lori seasoning salt, got some garlic powder, and last but not least, I have some black pepper. Of course, you will need some oil to fry it in. So, I got my Crisco here. And then you will need some french fries for the chips. And last but not least, you will need some catfish. These are my catfish fillets. And yeah, this is what you would need. Today, you all, I'm going to make it in my deep fryer, y'all. I'm going to do something a little different today. We're going to cook in the handy dandy deep fryer today, y'all. Okay, you all. So as you all can see, I have my catfish fillets on my cutting board. What I'm going to do is show you how I cut my fish fillets up, y'all. So I'm just going to cut them into strips. So you just want to cut them into strips. This knife is not sharp. Give me some knives. Alright, so y'all see, I just cut them into strips. So if you cut your catfish fillets into strips, y'all, now we got that fish that comes from the fish restaurant, y'all. This is all they do. They just slice them up, and we're going to do all the fish like this. We're going to slice each one into strips, y'all. So that's what you want to do. Now, these catfish fillets, y'all, I got from my local grocery store. You know, over there in the meat department, I got these from Hy-Vee. So, you know, in the meat department where they show all the fresh fish and the crab legs and all that, just get you some catfish fillets. If they sell them in a pack, great. If you have to go to the meat department and get them, great. But they definitely have them. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice them all into strips, y'all. My knife is not the sharpest, but we're going to make it do what it do. Alright, so all these are cut into strips. Y'all, I already rinsed the fish. I already rinsed my fish off. So we're going to put these over here in this bowl. And then we're going to grab these other two fillets out so that we can slice these too. What I'm doing now is just getting the excess water from when I washed them off. I'm just dabbing the excess water. That's all I'm doing. I'm going to cut these just like we cut the other ones. Just cut them into strips, y'all. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I have sliced all of the fillets up into strips. Even some of them, y'all, if they're too long, you can also cut them in half too, just to make more. Alright, so I have all my fillets. What I'm going to do now, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and lightly season my fish. So we're going to go down with some Lori seasoning salt. I'm just going to season the one side, y'all, because this is fish, and fish cooks really, fish is really thin and lean. You don't want to put too much seasoning in it. And to keep in mind, your Lori season, your Louisiana fish fry is already seasoned. So you don't want to go too heavy on the seasoning. You don't want to be flipping it over seasoning, flipping it back over seasoning. It's going to be way too much seasoning. And then you're going to put the Louisiana seasoned fish fry on it too. You're just doing way too much. It's going to be salty. And it's just going to be way too much. Alright, so I got my Lori's down. We're going to go down with some garlic powder. Just want to lightly season it. Just to give it a little extra taste, y'all. We'll go down with some black pepper. Got our black pepper. And then last but not least, some onion powder. Alright, so I got all my meat seasoned. Now what I'm going to do, y'all, is go ahead and open up my fish fry. pour it in the bowl here. I'm gonna do half of that pack. If y'all want to know which one to buy, if you don't want to get both of them, I recommend that you get the blue pack. The blue pack is the original pack. This is the originator. It's seasoned. It's crispy. I would definitely get the blue pack if you want to get one or the other. You don't want both. So now we're going to go ahead and add the blue pack. So as y'all see in my bowl, I have them both in there. Just give it a stir like that. And now what we're going to do, y'all, is just coat the fish in the fish fry. So throw your fish in there, give it a twirl. Just throw it in there. Y'all got stuff falling down back there. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Y'all just worry about this fish right here in this bowl. Alright, so you just put your fish in there and just give it a swirl. And y'all, I was also talking to one of my brothers-in-law, and he had told me, he was like, why haven't you made a fish video? So Keith, this is for you if you're watching. Keith, bro, I got you. Here go your fried fish video. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, I have all my fish in there. Go over to my deep fryer, y'all. Now, I have my deep fryer set on 350. As y'all can see, it's saying that it's ready. And what we're going to do is just add the fish, y'all. We're just going to drop the fish in there, just like that. One more. Two more. And there we have it. Okay, you all. So as y'all see, I'm using the deep fryer. I am aware that everybody does not have a deep fryer. So if you use a skillet, it's fine to use a skillet. You want to make sure that if you're using a skillet, you want to make sure you put enough grease in there to where your fish, to where the grease will completely cover the fish. Also, if you're using a skillet, y'all, when y'all frying your fish, you want to make sure that your grease is extremely hot. If you go and add that fish into some grease, or even chicken into grease that is not hot, that is not completely hot, you will have a pot full of just seasoning and fish fry. That's what you're going to have. So you got to make sure your grease is hot. Y'all can even do the little trick where you wet your hands with the water and splash it. If it do that and the grease start dancing for you, that's how you know your grease is hot enough to add your fish. If you have a deep fryer, pull out that handy dandy deep fryer. Mine's, I was able to set the temperature to 350, so if you have a deep fryer like this, or even better, definitely pull it out. It just makes your job easier, y'all. You just drop them in there, give it a little stir, and just let it do the job for you. So yeah, so we're gonna let these cook, y'all, probably for about, look, they already looking good, y'all. Look. So we're gonna let these, I don't know, I say I'm gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes or so, and then come back and check on them. They should be ready, y'all. Coat some more of my fish while I'm letting that cook. While we're waiting on the fish to cook, don't you go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. Mimosas, anyone? This is what you want. Mimosas. My orange juice is about gone, but don't worry, because I got another one. This is what you want while you cooking. Ah, this shit is good, y'all. Delicious. This is what you want. Okay, y'all, so my fish has been cooking for about, y'all, I like my fish to be really, really crispy, y'all. So this probably cooked about 6 or 7 minutes, y'all. They're nice and crunchy. So what I'm doing is just letting that grease fall. And then we're just gonna dump them onto the plate like that. I gotta straighten it out. Alright, then what we're gonna do, y'all, is drop some more fish. We'll do one more. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, when I dumped my fish, what I did was I just grabbed me a plate and I put some a paper towel on it. What this do, y'all, is just catch the grease for you. You don't want to take fish or chicken or anything greasy and just put it right onto a plate. What it'll do is the plate will hold in the oil, and it'll make your chicken or fish or whatever you're frying really greasy, and it's not good for you. All that grease is not good for you. So yes, whenever you're frying, try to get you some paper towel. If you don't have paper towel, hey, if you got some newspaper laying around, I know it's ghetto, but you need something to grab that grease after you take it out. So I just got me a plate, y'all, with some paper towels. I'm sure y'all seen this before, but y'all got to keep in mind, I got people on my channel that just don't have a clue, y'all. So this is for my people that don't have a clue. Make sure you have something to catch the oil when you taking anything fried out, whether it's pork chops, fried chicken, fish, whatever it is that you're frying, French fries, okra, whatever. You want to make sure that you have something to catch that oil. That's it. When your fish is frying, y'all, just give it a shake. If you ever worked at a restaurant like a Taco Bell, McDonald's, or anything like that, you know exactly what I mean when I say just give it a shake. I remember McDonald's did the fries. Anybody from McDonald's can relate to that shit. You know, like, ah, she's stupid. Okay, you all. So we are all done with the fish, y'all. I just wanted to point out, something out. So y'all, I had bought like 5 fillets, and I sliced them all, y'all, and it just made so much more fish. So if you get fillets, definitely try to slice them into strips, because it makes way more. You get more for your money. So we are all done with the fish, y'all. What I'm gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and go down with some French fries. A lot of y'all probably already know how to make French fries, but yeah, we're just gonna take them out the bag and just add them to the deep fryer. Just like that. Alright, you all. This is the finished product, y'all. We got fried fish right here. We got our French fries right here, and I have a bowl of coleslaw. The coleslaw that I use, you can find this over there where you find like the potato salad and stuff. It comes in this little handy dandy little container, and it's like $4, y'all. So definitely grab this. It's quick, fast. It's already made for you. So yeah, got my French fries, coleslaw, and fried fish. I got me some Kool-Aid. All right, y'all. So yeah, that's what the inside of the fish look like, y'all. This fish is fire. We're about to dig in. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Make sure you stay tuned, because of course I will be back with another great video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Y'all have a great rest of the day, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.